Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we've got Brian Bigfoot in here today. Brian's referred in here by a good friend of ours and his, Craig. Craig, thank you for referring him in. Brian has had lower back pain and sciatica down on the right side, down in the right SI joint region and lower lumbar spine region for going on 6 years now. Some neck and upper back tightness, some pain around into his left shoulder blade girdle area. Now you can't even see me behind him. He's so big. How tall are you? About 6'5"?
6'6".
6'6". All right, so I'm gonna have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards again. That's where it pulls, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now backwards, and see it kinks right there too. Now back to neutral. So you can tell he's a side sleeper because his head's forward to the right. Now down here he's got less room on the left side than he does on the right side, so his pelvis is translated to the left as well. Okay, we've already done all his orthopedic neurological tests, but I'm going to highlight a couple things. Let's lay you back on your tummy here for me now, Brian. Hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving. Now see, his left leg is 3/4 of an inch shorter than his right leg in the prone position, but when I bring it up, it gets even, and that tightens up in his low back and pelvis right there. Now palpate his SI joints. He's got subluxation on the left SI right there, and on the right SI right there. L5 and L4 are tender to the touch on the spinous and the lamina pedicle junctions down here. He's got muscle hypertonicity, muscle bundles on top of those that goes all the way up into his lower thoracic spine. Now this is an important test. I'm going to lock this down, lift your right leg up first. Okay, good. Now do the same thing on the left one. Now see, it was more difficult to do this left side, wasn't it?
Yes.
And that's the side where he has the shortness on the leg. So he does have a positive Knockless and Deerfield test on the left, as well as a left sacral deviation test. So I'm going to start adjusting his sacrum first. Ready for your first adjustment?
Yep.
Here's the left aspect of the sacrum itself. The sacrum is the middle triangular shaped bone inside of the 3 pelvic bones. Now I'm adjusting his left SI joint. Now the right SI joint. He's got some degenerative disc disease down here at L5S1, where I'm adjusting that straight P to A. L4, L5 as well. L3, L2, there's L1. Okay, now you're only 1/4 of an inch shorter. Does this tighten up as much as that first one did?
No.
Okay. Craig told us to call him Sasquatch, but I like Bigfoot better.
Sasquatch is the name of his company.
Oh, that's the name of your company? No wonder you wanted us to call you Sasquatch. What do you sell?
Custom tiny homes.
Custom tiny homes. That's when you get Renee one of those for doghouse. Okay. All right. You gonna feel your head popping up a little bit on this one, Brian? There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Brian was in here, Craig was in here earlier this morning getting his adjustment. He's referred us a lot of patients. Okay, slide down this way a little bit, please, sir. And let's put your arms straight out, sideways, palms facing up. Just like that. There. That's it. Okay, now, I want you to relax your hands on your tummy for me, Brian. Let me have your leg completely relaxed. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your back pelvis. Okay, let this one go too. There you go. Super. Let's sit you up sideways and face that away. There you go. And just let this shoulder relax and let me move it. Okay. Again, let me do everything. Boy, you got some crepitus in this one. You had some shoulder injuries in the past too?
Yes.
Lifting?
No.
Okay. There's a recent news story here in Houston about those tiny houses. Was that on your company?
It was not.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's come over here.
All right.
I'm gonna have you put your rear end right here, head up that way. Yeah, go ahead and lay down your back.
On my back.
On the other back, there you go. Yeah, we'll slide you down just a little bit this way.
All right.
No, down this way a little bit. There you go. There.
Actually fit Craig in this way?
Yeah. Yeah, you know,
He's a big boy.
he is a big boy. I get a lot of big boys in here though. We're having a new table built that will raise the legs up higher. Can you hand me that pillow over there, Renee? I'll get it.
Yeah, I have to walk backwards and.
Okay. Lift your legs up just a little bit there, Brian. There you go. Okay, now see how your legs are parallel with the floor?
Mm-hmm.
That should feel fairly relaxing in your lumbar
is,
spine right
yeah.
now. This is how it's like for you to start sleeping with no pillow.
Okay.
Lay your head right on back. On this adjustment, you're going to keep your teeth together. Make sure your tongue's not in between them. Just breathe through your nose. Exhale. Yep, there we go. Now you should have felt that go all the way down.
Yes, sir.
Did you?
Yes.
Here, slide down this way a little bit. There you go. Get these guys out of here. Get this one out first. All right. There we go. Thought you might be in here all day, huh? Okay. Oh yeah, crack agg's gonna love you. There we go. You got some Bigfoot vertebrae too.
I prefer Yeti.
Okay, Yeti, yeah, that's
Yeah.
better. I can spell Yeti. I've had a hard time with Sasquatch. All right, so just get up sideways and come over and stand in front of the mirror there again.
Okay.
And you should immediately feel a little bit lighter.
Oh, I do.
And you're probably about 6'8" now. Yep, see, you're growing about half an inch. Let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards again. Did that pull as much that time?
Not at all.
Okay, I'm gonna pull these up and back. There we go. There. Okay. Now, let's relax again and flex your head forward and backwards again. This should feel even smoother.
It does.
Yep.
Totally.
All right, very good, Brian. So you survived your first ring dinger here at the office.
Yeah.
So what would you tell our YouTube fans about your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
I would have to say it's the best chiropractic experience I've ever had.
And you've had some before,
I've had
right?
some before, and that was the most, I feel better than I've ever felt after being sore coming in.
Well, good. We're glad you made it in
Thank you
here.
very much.
Yeah, you're
All
welcome.
right.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.